Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. I'm Madiha Saeed with 9 p.m. international news. Donald Trump's defense lawyers are set to present evidence in the U.S. Senate's dying charges. He incited insurrections in the Capitol riots of 6 Jan. Russia is ready to serve ties with Europe if the bloc imposes new economically painful sanctions. Russia's Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov says Myanmar security forces have been using live ammunition against anti-coup protests in violations of international law. The Australian state of Victoria will enter lockdown for a third time in a bid to suppose an outbreak of the UK strains of coronavirus. US President Joe Biden has rescinded the national emergency order used to fund Donald Trump's border wall. US President Joe Biden has warned that China will eat our lunch if America doesn't step up its infrastructure spending. Arab Spring, how the uprising still echo 10 years on. A single moment in Cairo 10 years ago made me think, wait, this is more than just another protest. It was a Friday when the most important weekly congregational prayers for Muslims takes place, and it came a few days after the first demonstrations against Egyptian's President Hosni Mubarak had started. Lunar New Year is usually the busiest period for business in Chinatown around the globe, but in 2020 it coincided with the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic. Even many restaurants empty. A year on, the BBC speaks to business owners to find out how they survive and what next.